For an equation of the form a times ya double prime plus b times y prime plus c times y equals a function of x, the general solution equals the homogeneous solution plus one particular solution that matches the form of that function. Let's work through an example. Solve the equation y double prime minus 3 times yy prime plus 2 times y equals e to the power of 4x. First, we find the homogeneous solution. This is a constant, let's call it C1, times e to the power of x, plus another constant, C2, times e to the power of 2x. Now look at the right-hand side, e to the power of 4x. Since 4 does not match either exponent already used, 1 or 2, we try a particular solution of the form, a constant, let's call it capital A, times e to the power of 4x. Substituting this guess into the original equation and solving for capital A gives capital A equals 1/6. So the particular solution is 1/6 times e to the power of 4x. Putting it all together, the full solution is the homogeneous solution plus 1/6 times e to the power of 4x. That is, y equals c1 times e to the power of x plus c2 times e to the power of 2x plus 1/6 times e to the power of 4x. Finally, we check by substituting the full solution back into the original equation. Each derivative term combines so that the left-hand side simplifies exactly to e to the power of 4x, confirming our solution is correct.